Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I traveled to Malaysia in early April 2018. I traveled for 7 days exploring 4 different cities with different climatic conditions and different culture. I would like to present my travel experience in multiple parts. So here is the part 1 of this travel series, reaching and exploring Kuala Lumpur. So it's around 12:35 and we are going to Kuala Lumpur today. We are on a vacation. Hi Purva. We are on a vacation and it's a 7-day trip. It was 8-day trip when we had planned it, but our flight got cancelled and it rescheduled to today. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, we have ordered some Chinese food. This will be our first meal for the day. So after 6 hours of overnight journey, we reached Kuala Lumpur International Airport Terminal 2 by 10:30 Malaysian Standard Time. It took us around 1 hour to complete our immigrations and customs, and then we rushed to take a SIM card costing us around 20 ringgits for 7 days, having 1.5 GB data and 15 minutes of talk time. So right now I am at food court kind of thing at KLI2. We have already booked our buses to TBS, that is terminal some Bandar, Selatan, something of that sort. So from there we have plans to book the bus for Kuala Lumpur, which is the jetty for Langkawi. So we'll go there first and we'll most probably book an overnight bus, so that we can skip a stay anywhere in Kuala Lumpur, and between that time we'll go to Batu Caves, having a nice coffee. Yeah, it's quite good. So we took this bus from KLI2 to TBS for 11 ringgits per person. After a wonderful journey of 1 hour, we reached TBS. From here, we booked our overnight bus to Kuala Lumpur. The ticket for Kuala Lumpur was 100 ringgits per person.
I repeat, Sunny Express from TBS to Kuala Lumpur today 10:30 PM.
Yes.
Okay, I need your passport to person.
Passport?
Yes.
So it's around 2 o'clock and we have booked our bus for 10:30 PM. So we'll be going to Batu Caves right now. We'll move to the BTS railway station, which is just nearby this TBS, and then we'll see how it goes. From TBS, we moved to BTS railway station, which is just adjacent to TBS. From here, we took a KTM commuter to reach KL Central. The ticket from BTS to KL Central was 2.4 ringgits per person.
Thank you. This is the train timetable? Okay.
Platform number 2.
Langkah Anda. Please mind your step.
Please mind your steps, madam. नीचे देखो. So we have reached Batu Caves now. I'm in the Batu Cave station. So as soon as we step out of the stations, the Batu Cave starts. So this is the best thing I have ever seen. Even Indian tourist place should have such connectivity. We just had some snacks. We had pepper dosa, onion uttappa and a tea, which costed us around 10 ringgits.
So we took a small hike of 272 steps to visit this beautiful Batu Caves. The huge statue of God Murugan was recently built in 2006 and 7, and it is now a major tourist attraction not only for the Malaysian Tamils but also for the other tourists visiting from all over the world. After the Batu Caves, we visited the Ramayana Caves. The entry fee for these caves was 5 ringgits per person. The whole story of Ramayana is depicted here with the help of these nicely crafted statues. Many Indians already know the story of Ramayana, so if you are low on budget or on time, you can skip these caves.
So it was quite humid at Batu Caves, but yeah, Batu Caves is a must visit, especially the statue. I think I have clicked around 20 photos of the same statue from different angles, so it is that amazing. We are now moving to KL Central. We hope to visit Petronas Towers before 9 o'clock because we have a bus to catch from TBS at 10:30. So let's see how it goes. So we are back from KL Central and we have just booked our ticket from the automatic vending machine to KLCC. It costed us around 2.4 ringgits per person. We have just exited from KLCC and now we are heading towards Petronas Towers. Oh wow! Oh. we have finally done with our last point of our day, that is Petronas Towers, and now we'll be moving back to KL Central and then to terminal that is TBS to catch our bus to Kuala Lumpur.
So this is the automatic vending machine of Rapid KL. There are multiple routes to connect multiple railway stations in Kuala Lumpur. You can find the whole map of all the routes anywhere on the station. So if you want to go to KL Central from KLCC, select the lane 5, which is also known as LRT. Select the station and number of tickets. Submit the total amount to the vending machine and then wait for the machine to process. Collect your ticket and change from the bottom port and you are ready to go. Ten 5 and we are going to get number 10, which is a boarding gate for Kuala Lumpur.